In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme to dark mode in Dropbox, a step-by-step guide to transform your user interface into something a bit more eye-friendly, especially in low-light conditions. This feature is perfect for reducing eye strain and giving your Dropbox a sleek, modern look. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start from your Dropbox homepage. Once you're logged into your Dropbox account, you'll find yourself on your home page where you can see all your files neatly organized. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. It's usually represented by your account picture or just an initial if you haven't set a picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account settings and preferences. After the menu appears, look for an option labeled Theme. It's likely towards the middle or lower end of the list, depending on how many options your account setup includes. Once you spot it, click on Theme to proceed to the next step in customizing your interface. Now, you'll see the theme settings. You'll have the option to toggle between the default light mode and the dark mode, which is our goal for today. Click on Dark Mode, and almost instantly, your Dropbox interface will switch to the darker theme. This new setting gives your Dropbox a minimalist, less distracting look, and is particularly useful for working at night or in dim lighting conditions. Don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always switch back to light mode by following the same steps. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Dropbox to dark mode. Not only does this help in reducing eye strain, but it also can save a bit of battery life if you're using a device with an OLED screen where the black pixels are powered off. If you encounter any issues or want to explore more customization options, feel free to delve into other settings while you're in the profile menu. There are plenty of features to make your Dropbox experience as pleasant as possible. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you find the dark mode setting both comforting and efficient for your daily use of Dropbox. Remember, the key to mastering technology lies in exploring what works best for you and customizing it to your liking. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments with any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn. Happy cloud storing, and see you in the next video.